In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a data source in Tableau. This process is straightforward, but it's crucial for managing your data efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Tableau public app. If you haven't installed it yet, it's available for download on the Tableau website. Once the app is open, navigate to the main interface. Here, you'll see all your existing projects and data sets. Next, you need to access your worksheet. This is the workspace where you create your visualizations. If you already have a worksheet open that you want to save the data source from, just switch to it. Otherwise, you can open an existing worksheet or create a new one, depending on what you're working on. Now, with your worksheet open, direct your attention to the data pane. This is typically located on the left side of your screen. In the data pane, you'll find the names of all the data sources you currently have access to. Identify the specific data source you wish to save. If your data pane is cluttered, you might need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you've located your data source, it's time to save it. Go to the menu at the top of the Tableau interface and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. This action will open a Save dialog box where you can manage how and where your data source is saved. You'll now be prompted to enter a name for your data source file. Here you also have the option to choose between two file types. .tds, which stands for Tableau Data Source, or .tdsx, which is a packaged Tableau data source. The .tdsx file type includes extracts, making it very useful if you plan to share your data source with others, or if you want to use it on a different machine without the original data connection. Pick the file type that best suits your needs. After naming your file and selecting the desired file type, go ahead and click Save to finalize the process. Tableau will handle the rest, storing your data source file in the location you've specified. Finally, your saved data source will now appear in your list of saved data sources whenever you connect to data in Tableau. This is immensely helpful because it allows you to quickly reuse and share consistent data sources across different projects without having to recreate connections each time. And there you have it. Saving your data source in Tableau is as easy as that. This method not only helps keep your work organized, but also enhances your efficiency when working with different data sets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in boosting your Tableau skills.